In this video, you'll learn how to change your eBay personal account to a business account. By following these steps, you will be able to upgrade your account and access additional features tailored for business sellers. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings section, which can typically be found in the upper right corner of the home page. Look for the option labeled Personal Information within your profile section. Here, you will find the account type option, allowing you to review your current account status. Before proceeding, ensure that you have all necessary business information ready, as this will be required for the upgrade process. Next, find and select the option to upgrade your account to a business account. This may be labeled as Switch to Business Account or something similar. You will then be prompted to enter your business name along with other necessary registration details. It is essential to provide accurate tax information and contact details to avoid any issues. Take your time to double check all the information you have entered before submitting it, as incorrect details may result in delays in the approval process. After confirming your entries, proceed by clicking the confirmation button to submit your request. Following this action, you may be greeted with a prompt to review the updated account terms and conditions. It is important to read through these terms carefully. Once you have reviewed them, submit your request to change your account type. At this point, you will need to wait for confirmation from eBay regarding the status of your request. Once your request is approved, you will gain access to a range of business features that are not available to personal account holders. Depending on the nature of your business, you may need to update your payment and tax settings to align with your new account type. This ensures that all transactions are processed correctly under your business profile. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.